Hello, this is the LSC CIS Department's instructional video on installing VMware Tools on a Windows virtual machine in vCloud. Before you begin this, you have to have the operating system installed in your virtual machine. Most of your virtual machines will come with Windows already installed, but if this is one that doesn't have that, go ahead and set that up before you go any farther. Then you need to log on to your vCloud account and go to the V app, which contains the virtual machine you will be setting up VMware Tools on. I've already powered on the virtual machine and logged in. Those are things that you'll need to do, but I've done that to speed things up a little bit here, so I'll just open the console so you can see what it looks like when we're ready to go. So here is my Windows Server 2008 virtual machine. It's turned on, logged in, and we can install VMware Tools now. So Control-Alt to release your mouse from that to minimize the console. Go to the virtual machine in the vCloud director, right-click on the virtual machine, and go down to the Install VMware Tools option. Click that and the status will change to Installing VMware Tools as it inserts the VMware Tools CD in the virtual CD drive for that machine. Now that it is inserted, we can open the console back up, and we see that autoplay has popped up a dialog which tells us that we can run the setup.exe for VMware Tools. Now, most of the time this will pop up, but if you insert the CD before you log into your account on the virtual machine, you'll have to open it manually. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'll close the autoplay, go down to the Start menu, go to Computer, and you see that there's the VMware Tools in the virtual drive. And double-clicking on that brings up the installer. Now you see that the installer is flashing at us down here and is ready to go. We'll just go through, accept the defaults, click Install, and I'll pause the video for a minute here while this gets installed. Okay, VMware Tools has finished installing, so we will click the Finish button. Oh, sorry, I was not on the virtual machine there. Click the Finish button, and now it's asking us if we want to restart the computer right away. We're going to click Yes, because that will cause the virtual VMware Tools to actually start working. You can't use VMware Tools until you've restarted your machine. So I'm going to pause again while the machine boots up. And now the virtual machine has booted up again, and you can tell that VMware Tools is running on it by this little icon down in the tray. If you hover your mouse over it, it will say VMware Tools on it, and right-clicking on it will allow you to look at the version of VMware Tools that you're running. And that is all there is to installing VMware Tools on a Windows virtual machine in vCloud.